for the last 57 years that we have served land development in planning new neighborhoods, and 50 years developing technologies for civil engineering and land surveying. We will be introducing at the end of 2025 a new solution for cities who want to grow more sustainably. Every development, large or small, in the United States must be approved by the City Council, made up of average citizens concerned about the growth of their city. This council may or may not take the advice of the City Planning Commission, made up of average citizens, whose sole task is to review plan submittals. For the most part, the nation's growth is not designed by dedicated land planning firms, but instead mostly by the local civil engineers whose main task is to squeeze every housing unit or commercial square footage allowed by the regulations' minimums. This scenario can only guarantee one result: a minimal development with a minimum living standard, monotonous streetscapes, and very few people may realize this, but the most possible infrastructure which destroys the environment and economics of growth. This excessive waste is common to almost all forms of commercial and residential development. Nobody benefits, and literally millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars is wasted. For the past 23 years, we have been developing a solution that will improve the way cities grow while also significantly increasing the residents' living standards and economics of development. This solution provides the technology and the education to empower city staff, the City Council, and the City Planning Commission to make more well-informed and better decisions. But more important, and something that has been missing in the land development process since the beginning of modern growth: providing constructive feedback to the developer submitting a proposal as to where the waste is. This is so that they can demand that their consultant improve their plan with less infrastructure that the city will ultimately have to maintain, while also significantly increasing the marketability as well as the submitter's profits. In addition to these benefits is that the same technology can affordably and quickly take what is being submitted into a highly detailed three-dimensional world using video game technology. By using video gaming, not only can the City Council and Planning Commission members instantly go around the site in real time, but they could also don virtual reality headsets to immerse themselves into the future as if the development was built. By providing both the education and the technology to cities, we create true transparency in submittals, while eliminating any falsification or promise of open space or features that simply are misrepresented, far too common in presentations to sway the Planning Commission and Council that this proposal is good for the city. While this new system certainly will benefit the city and the developers submitting their proposals, those that benefit the most will be the ones that reside in these new neighborhoods, redeveloped existing neighborhoods, or do business in these new commercial centers. In addition to all of these benefits, the same system will allow the city to perform land surveying, civil engineering, as well as any internal planning projects far better than other technologies. For the consulting industry, we introduce a new era on how they can serve cities, not just maintaining a geographic information system map, but offering services much more valuable to the growth of the city and our nation.